Log into the Account Management app directly from the Success Center. The landing page provides your main company account information, and this is also the main status page for all your 1111 environment locations. The app provides guided onboarding as a new island customer and manage your company contacts here. Event logs, contracts, invoices, and work orders are all listed in the account app, as are all billing, project, and technical support tickets. This is also where you can find compliance reports and access product training labs. And now let's go through the features in more detail. View the account information summary and manage status subscriptions. You can manage status subscriptions for your organization's users and set up email or text notifications. The service status widget breaks down all services by location. Every location where you have an environment with 1111 is shown here. To view and manage contacts and user permissions, create a new contact through the Actions menu and select the level of access. For example, access to the Island Secure Cloud Console, to the Account Management app itself, or as an admin contact. The Account app also allows you to view existing contracts and invoices, see the status of work orders, and pending and acknowledged service charges. Invoices show the status and total amount of the invoice and links the contract the invoice is associated with. View and create project, support, and billing tickets. This is the best preferred way to initiate a support request and get in touch with 1111 support. To open a new ticket, select Create New Ticket and fill out the service and issue details. The project tickets are associated with the deployment of your solutions and allow you to interact with the deployment team. In addition to the service status, you can verify maintenance and incidents events by location. And finally, the Account Management app is connected to other services such as compliance documents. You can enroll in labs and contains a software repository for your convenience. The tabs at the top of the Account app will take you to Catalyst and the Secure Cloud Console. For more information on the Account app, visit the Success Center at success.island.com.